quick video, and it has to do with the tires. This car, the Q50, comes with the run flat tires, and I immediately saw online a lot of negative feedback on the run flat tires. Run flat tires are perfect if you're going to get a flat and you don't want to jump out and change tires, or you don't have a spare tire. But the negatives of the run flat tires are that they're a harsher ride. They have a much stiffer sidewall, and they're quite a bit heavier than your normal tire is. So I bought my car, and I immediately could tell the harsher ride, stiffer over the small bumps, compliancy. And then I went out and bought, after 300 or 400 miles, and I went and got me some Pirelli P-Zero Nero tires. I got a really good deal on them. They were quite a bit cheaper at this current time than a few of the other tires that I was looking at for a pure summer tire, a quality brand name, and road noise control. So this was a great tire, and I think I purchased them for $152 a piece, where the other tires were $230, $250, $300 per a tire. So I got these total for under like $700, I think, with install, and you can get them patched if you do get a nail in them and it's in the right spot, then you can get it replaced, or patched, not replaced. And the tire does come with a warranty, but I'm really happy with these tires. Immediately I could tell a pretty big difference in the traction. It's not, they're both summer tires. The run flats were rated as summer tires, and these are summer tires too. But I initially, right off the bat, could tell the difference in ride quality, bump absorption, and the noise is lower with these tires. So I think it was, enough that I bought a brand new car, and I went out and immediately replaced the tires and spent, some more money. Obviously, I'm going to keep these tires, the run flat tires, the original OEM tires. I'm going to keep those and just put them in the garage and, have them for spares. But like I said, this tire is really heavy, these run flat tires, and they have a very stiff sidewall. They're very stiff, and they're just heavy tires. And I'll let you get a look, what makes a run flat tire. I didn't really know before. It's a stiff, ultra stiff sidewall, and it's got this foam inside. I don't fully, understand the design of the tire, but it's just, obviously a really stiff, heavy duty tire with little flex and thick rubber is going to be a much harsher ride, and it's obviously a lot heavier, rotational mass. So I ditched those, and put these on, and I'm really liking them. Most tires will have a warranty, and if I saw something, like online where people have written some negative comments about Pirelli tires, and maybe this brand of Nero tire, I think that's how they say it, Nero, or Nero is correct, the GT. And these I just stuck with the original size. Would have wanted to go wider on the rear, maybe with a staggered, but the sensible side of me, because I'm going to rotate them every 5 to 7,000 miles, and I want to do that appropriately, just because I take care of my vehicles and the things that I own, and I when I get the oil change, I want to rotate them, like I did my Nissan trucks. Every time I got an oil change, they rotated the tires for me at the dealership. So I kind of want to just not flip these in the rear, you know, keep them on the rear by going staggered. I want to, you know, flip them to the front and the fronts to the rear. So overall, very, very happy with these these tires. You know, for the value that they were, $152 versus, you know, $230, $250, $275 a piece. It puts them over, you know, $1,000. I think these were a really good choice, and I'm really, really happy with the advantages of the road noise, the less road noise, and the better feel in the ride. And I'm sure traction is going to be superior, even though they're both were rated as summer tires. So with that said, I just wanted to make a quick video. If I, you know, as a money miser as I am, went out and immediately after buying a brand new car, you know, with 300 miles on it, and I went out and replaced the tires, then that's something to be said about the urgency and the quality that you can gain, you know, and the poor the poor ride quality of the run flat. So hope if anyone finds this informative, you know, let me know. Or you know, also too, I'm trying to grow my channel. I'm not super serious about making extra money and making this my mainstream job, but you know, getting people to subscribe is kind of fun and kind of cool. You know, it shows people are interested in what I'm talking about. So if you do like my videos, you know, just subscribe. You know, that's always cool to see. Otherwise, have a great day, and thanks for tuning in.